Hey, what's good, everyone? I'm going to be going through a quick video on how to use a new multiple signer feature that was released in 0.15.0 of Celestia Node. This is a new feature that allows you to submit blobs or transactions from multiple accounts. So in this case, we're going to go through a demo of me running a node with the test key over here. This is going to be on Arabica. Now, once that's running, I'm going to go ahead and just go over some variables down here. I have testKey saved as a variable. I will be using that later. And then I have testKey2 saved as well. So testKey is the one that we're running it with above. If I were to go and submit a blob right now, it's going to come from this testKey account. And if I go over to Selenium, I'll see that there. Once the blob's been submitted, we can see that went through at this height. So if I refresh over here, we're going to see that again. Whoops, I sorted it the wrong way. So yeah, that's the blob that we just submitted. And we can verify that the signer is this test key. So the new feature is really something that's good for roll-up as a service providers or anyone really doing more than one thing in a different namespace. And the new feature allows you to, I'm going to go over to the doc that I'm drafting. It allows you to run with one key and then submit blobs with a different signer or key. So in this case, we're going to be using testKey2. And when we submit that blob, if we go over to the Explorer, to the X address here, once that blob is submitted, we're going to see that 20 seconds ago, it was submitted. And this time it's from the different account. It's a pretty cool feature, super useful to reduce the number of light nodes you're running if you're running a bunch of rollups. And this was released in 0.15.0. And if you want to check more out about it, we're going to be putting a doc up here soon. I guess the last thing to cover here is that you can also use a signer address. In this case, I have saved the variables. So I'm going to just do testKey2 as the signer. And the same way that it worked last time, it's going to sign it with that second key that we have. If we go over to the Explorer again, we're going to see that another blob is submitted from that address. So yeah, that's it. Look forward to seeing questions and use cases of this. Thank you.